Hey, good morning guys. Alright, so I need to fill you in on a few things. We are busy with quite a few trips. Our season is starting to pick up now, but then there's quite a few problems with the trucks. Small little things that usually go wrong. It's part of transport. There's always something wrong at some point with a truck. The beavertale had a few issues, so we had to get that sorted. But everything is fixed now, and we just have the auto electrician out quickly to have a look at the lights, because there's a few issues with the indicators. And then the truck needs to load a big TLB machine, and then it's off to, it's going to be quite a drive actually. It's going to take the driver about 3.5–4 hours to get to the location where he needs to drop it off, and then he still needs to come back.
Maar ons is oor die hoogte, ons kan nie so ry nie. Dan gaan ons nie by die brug deur nie. Of ons mag ook nie deur die tunnel gaan dan nie. Die masjien staan te veel daai kant toe. Trek jy handjie meer op weer. Ja, nou sak. Ja. Om net om liggie. Sak bietjie. Ja. Okay, trek hom. Ja. Hy begin te rol sy tension. So kom ons gooi vir die agtersteen op. Okay, trek maar styf. And we're off. The truck just left the office now after they loaded the TLB. Now we're on our way quickly to go fill the tanks, the diesel, and then yeah, the truck is leaving. So we do have a little bit of a height concern. The truck is just below 4.1 meters at the moment, the total height truck with the machine on top. So we just need to make sure we're clearing all the bridges, and we need to go through the tunnel. The driver will need to keep checking the bridges and everything, that there's no obstructions or anything, because that can be obviously quite dangerous. So we are also noticing now that the trees in our little town, some of the branches are hanging very low. I just don't want to break a window or something on the machine that's on top of the truck. And then our other concern is the arm on the back, the backhoe arm. We have to put it down obviously for stabilization on the truck. It's not major, but still it's something that he needs to keep an eye on, the driver. Ja. Ja, maar laat er op zo'n beetje komen, ik wil kijken die hoogte. Je ziet hij is alright. Nee.
The next day.
So guys, it's been a bit of a crazy Thursday on our side. We had quite a few trips that we need to finish off, but the beavertale had a problem with the accelerator pedal. They are busy fixing it at the workshop, but we need to go for another load very urgently. Luckily we don't need the beavertale, so we can use the other truck that has been redone. So guys, this is now the first trip that we're doing with this one since it's been refurbished completely, with the new paint, the new wheels, the new sticker kit, everything. If I take from where it came, you know, when we bought it, I'll actually, let me link a photo for you guys, and you guys can see what it looked like back in 2017 when we bought it. It was completely something else. And yeah, this is good. This is a good job. Let me show you guys it's on the road a bit when the sun is catching the stickers and the paint.
Tomorrow.
We are going to load the skip now. I'm going to see how we're going to do this. I brought my snatch block and everything because that skip is really heavy with all the building rubble in it. I don't want to break the cable obviously off the winch. Let's see how we're going to do this. But we'll make a plan to get this working and get the skip out of the way.
Traffic waiting.
Nee, dreigheid maar.
Sak.
Bly op baie hoogte. Ja, bly op baie hoogte. Hij is nou te zwaar, hij kan niet hem nog optrekken.